Good morning, fellow kingdom celebrators. This is the moment of wisdom with Pastor Adekunle Komolafe. Topic of the day: stop making noise over nothing, part 2. Proverbs 29 verse 11. A fool gives full vent to his spirit, but a wise man quietly holds it back. Quote of the day: pride will cost you everything but leave you with nothing. Prayer point for today: pray this and say, Father, help me not to misbehave in the presence of my destiny helpers. Prophetic instruction for today: talk less and listen more. Prophetic declaration: I decree and I declare that God will deliver you from every spirit that cage your career today in Jesus' name. Remember that the devil will always stage a fight, but you will always win, because you are not an ordinary person. You are a superstar, and my Father greatly bless you.